Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So here I picked up something on eBay. It's from the BLVD. LA is actually the seller on eBay. But these are real carbon fiber license plate frames. If you guys remember a while back, I did the silicone ones, which I really liked. But I wanted something a little fancier. So let me go ahead and open these and I'll show you guys the quality of these. So check these out. Again, these are 100% real. I think it's 4K twill, super light. See if I can show you here. It's unfinished back, but that's fine. And for the price, you really can't beat it. It's $29.95 for two of them. You check that out. It goes around the whole edge. Give you a little 3M tape here to secure the frame so it doesn't rattle. But awesome quality. I've seen a lot of fake ones, which are okay, but for the license plate frames, I like to go some a little higher end. I mean, look at that shine on them. I hope the camera picks it up there. But again, really nice quality. Super light. And they have different ones too. If you want like the skinnier frame all the way around, they have those. Or they have it actually wider, whatever you guys want. And they give you all the hardware you need here. The screw cover, the caps, are just plain black, so just know that they aren't carbon fiber or fake carbon fiber. So, but it blends really well. So I'm excited about this. I always had like the black frame, but I want something a little different here, and I think these dress up the rear a lot, especially if you guys are doing the carbon fiber. So let me go ahead and put them on the car, and I'll show you the final product. So check them out here, guys. I think it looks really good. And of course, I put the clear piece of plastic in between again to protect the actual license plate. But check that out. Really nice. I just put some tape there, taped it to it, and so it doesn't budge. And same thing with the top. I just taped it around so it doesn't rattle or anything like that. And it's super light, so you don't have to worry about it. You know, some of these real heavy frames, they're hard to secure, you know, but especially on the rear here when you slam the trunk. But this is really nice. And I like the fact that it's real. And it has like that clear resin over it, so it should hold up really well as far as with the sun and the washing if you go to automatic car washes. But really nice. And I just put some 3M tape on the back. I took the stuff that they gave you off because it didn't seem that strong, and I put real 3M tape on the bottom. There's a little connector there where you can screw into. I just put it on there just so when you slam the trunk, it doesn't budge. And I've tried it and it doesn't rattle at all. So really nice here. Doesn't block the registration sticker, which is nice. I know you can get pulled over if they want to be picky about it, if you have some frames that cover that a little bit. So really nice here. Doesn't touch the paint at all, so it's not going to scratch it up. So I think it looks really good. I mean, from afar it looks black, but it is real carbon fiber. So if you guys are looking for that, I'll put a link in the description. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys next time.